All right, folks, so this is problem 225. In your actual handout, we have solved the first problem, letter A, for you, but I just want to kind of talk through it, and then I'm actually going to solve letter B for you as well, and then just have you finish up C and D on your own. So for the first problem, we have a negative 3x plus 4. So I need to come up with a couple different ways to represent that. The first one is pretty straightforward. We have a negative x, and a negative x, which is negative 3x. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 positive tiles. Another way we could represent it is, instead of thinking it as negative 3x, thinking of it as the opposite of 3x. So if I'm doing the opposite of 3x, that is the same thing as negative 3x. If I'm putting 1, 2, 3 positive x's on the bottom, and then because I have the minus sign, that makes it the opposite of that, it turns that into negative 3x, and I've kept my 4 positives the same. The second one, letter B, I'm going to start with, again, the fact that a negative sign just means the opposite of. Now, when I see this, my first thought is, okay, well, this is the opposite of, or another way to put it would just be, it's negative everything in the parentheses. So what you could simply do is just take whatever is inside of these parentheses and put it on the bottom. So inside the parentheses, I have a y that is positive. I could even add a y to that. And I have a negative 2, which means I would use single tiles that are not shaded in because they are negative. And there we go. That's the first one. So I have a negative y and a negative 2. Or you could say I have the opposite of y minus 2. Or I could even say I'm taking away, or I'm subtracting y minus 2, which is what that means. So just like the first one, now you can just flip the regions and flip the tiles. And so what I mean by that is, if I wanted to push everything to the top, what I would do is just push my y tile up to the top, but instead of being positive on the bottom, now that it's on the top, it's going to be negative. Same thing with my 2 single tiles. They're negative 2 on the bottom, so if I flip them up, they're going to turn into positives. Because again, if we go back to thinking of the negative as being the opposite, so on the first one I have, what is the opposite of y? Well, it'd be negative y. What is the opposite of negative 2? It would be a positive 2. And that's exactly what I have here. I have a negative y, and I have positive 2. So go ahead and finish up the last 2, and then we'll talk about those together.